8 days from now, silver changes forever. Unfortunately, there's no guesswork here. We're seeing clear signals from the market. We're hearing directly from dealers on the ground. Check this out. This is from Macro Trends, and you can see the surge in summer selling. Time of this recording, silver is over $39 an ounce. It's highest price since 2011. And for a lot of stackers who bought in back at $20, back at $25, this was an exit point that they've been waiting for. We're seeing it. Classic profit taking, retail holders cashing out, industrial buyers pausing, and it's creating downward pressure on the silver price. When sellers outweigh buyers, prices don't keep rising. They consolidate. That's exactly what's happening. And as we head into August, it's going to hit hard. This wall is going to slam silver price, and it's a hard pill to swallow. Look at this. This is from Reuters. And they're saying investors are preparing for the worst in August. In mid-July, U.S. slapped 30% tariffs on silver from Mexico. It's the world's top producer. It sparked panic, not just for stackers, industrial buyers, sectors like solar, electronics, those who rush to secure silver, they're pausing. And after that initial scramble, things are slowing down. Industry is starting to cool, and it's temporary, but as we go into August, that ceiling is going to hit for the price of silver. Check this out. This is goldprice.com. They're telling us to focus on rotation. As silver stackers, we hate to think about this, but this is how the market works. Silver peaked, smart money quietly rotated back to gold. It's counterintuitive, but gold is viewed as the more stable, safe haven play. It's at the time of this recording, gold is solid 3,400 plus. And we got central banks continuing on their buying spree with gold. So no matter how strong this momentum felt, we're still seeing stackers cash out. We're still seeing not only cash out, but swap out, go in rotation, go back into gold. It's not like silver's done. This is just part of the cycle. This is how everything's reset. I have 2 dealers here where I live. Both those dealers telling me they see more people selling than buying. Their shelves are full. And the foot traffic that's walking in, both these dealers, they're sellers. They're people cashing out, not stackers looking to buy. The day-to-day struggle for dealers, it's not sourcing inventory anymore. It's moving it. When the public gets focused on cash, right, on selling their stack for cash, dealers have to be creative. They have to really find wholesalers, is what they're really trying to do. Well, get silver your own. Click the link I put in the description. Money Metals is sponsoring this channel. They're giving away 20 Eagles every month. Click that link down there and get on that contest. Don't miss it.